Hi, I'm Jennifer Clark, Center Manager, Land Rover Gulf Coast. I wanted to take just a minute to introduce to you our 3 team members for this year's Trek event: Ben Payne, Mitch Ducote, and Nick Southwick. All 3 are not only great representatives of Land Rover Gulf Coast, but also the Mobile area.
Hi, my name is Mitch Ducote, Parts Manager here at Land Rover Gulf Coast. I've been with the company almost 25 years. Not only an enthusiast for Land Rover, I also drive a Land Rover exclusively for the last 10 years, and really looking forward to the Trek competition this year.
My name is Nick Southwick. I'm a Jaguar Land Rover technician. I've been with Land Rover the Gulf Coast for 3 years now. I love working on these products. I'm an avid off-roader. I just love what these vehicles are capable of, and it's going to be a great experience to go out and really test them out in the real world.
My name is Ben Payne, and I've been with the line now for 16 years. I really enjoy what I do, selling these cars, and I've been here so long that we're meeting now different generations of customers, and it's wonderful to deal with people and then their children, and now meet their grandchildren as they come along. The spirit of adventure and refinement, and that's something I really enjoy and really enjoy explaining to the customers. And once you own one of these vehicles, which we all do around here, you kind of become part of that whole thing where you see somebody else with one and you instantly strike up a conversation, and you learn more about the line, you learn more about the heritage, and it just deepens your feelings for what we do.